Alright, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the campaign search term filter script. I've prepared 3 topics for you. What does the script do? How to install the script? And what are some of the best practices for you to apply? So, what does the script do? The script, it basically gathers all of your search terms from specific campaigns that you can set in a configuration from your Google Ads account. It compares these terms against an approved list that you define. And any search term exceeding a click threshold and is not on an approved list of search terms is automatically added to a shared negative keyword list. The result of this is that you can filter out search terms that you don't want in your campaign, for example, a brand shopping campaign. So how to install the script? There are 3 easy steps, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the configuration. So the first one is install the script in Google Ads. Update the variables in the config and then save and authorize the script. You can schedule it to run it hourly. That's the best way to eliminate all of the search terms that you don't want. So to install the script, you need to create a blank spreadsheet. This is needed for the approved list of search terms that you want. And you need to copy the spreadsheet URL from the newly created spreadsheet and set it to the variables. Then in the new spreadsheet that's blank, you need to add all of your misspellings into the spreadsheet, and you can create those from a website, for example, the RankWatch Keywords Typo Generator tool, or anything else that you would like to use. But it's very easy to skip a letter, to add double letters, reverse letters, a wrong letter, for example, and to get a complete list of search terms that you want to whitelist. Then add all of the variables in the configuration, like the name of the shared negative keyword list, your click threshold, your impression threshold, which one of the thresholds you want to use, clicks or impressions, but also the campaign name. That's also an important step. And then look back at the amount of days, which can be 1 day, 7 days, 30 days. Keep in mind that if you're looking longer than 7 days, the script might run longer, and you have a 30-minute window in which the script can run. And you can also include today, which I recommend for having an up-to-date list of search terms. Because you run it hourly, you want to also include the search term from today. Then some of the best practices. There are 2 best practices in this case. Set a reasonable click threshold. So this can be 1, but if your campaign is really big, you can set this to a little bit higher. For example, 10 clicks. And you want to monitor the negative keyword list. You want to make sure, especially in the few days after you install the script, if everything is running fine. It sometimes happens that a keyword gets excluded wrong, and you need to adjust your whitelist spreadsheet. So keep monitoring and happy installing the script. If you have any question, just leave them in the comments below. And thank you very much.